Hospitals already bracing for the so-called storm of coronavirus cases that Governor Ducey says is hitting other parts of the country right now, but not yet in Arizona. Even as the state reports nearly 1,600 more cases today. So what's guiding the decisions coming from the governor and the top public health director? Well, in the past, Arizona's modeling team has been able to predict what's to come using math, using data. The same team the governor put on hold earlier this year before saying they could then resume their work. But tonight, we're learning that team hasn't been able to develop predictions past the election. ABC 15's Nicole Grigg going one-on-one with that modeling team.
The state has given us 6 models that were done in July. However, they only predict through next week. It's unclear exactly if there is any new models coming or when.
These are the 6 models the state health department sent us through a public records request. We were hoping to see some predictions for the months ahead, but these models are no longer forward-looking.
When was the last time the state has asked ASU for a model?
Well, we've been working regularly with the state. The last time we've done a formal model was over the summer. We haven't done another formal model since then.
Joshua LeBaire leads ASU's Biodesign Institute. He works closely with the modeling team that we're told is still very active. The summer models were good through September, but as things started to get worse this month, now the models are irrelevant. It's unclear if there will be a new one or when we could see it.
The team is gathering its thoughts about how they would build the next model. I don't want to say that we don't know how. I would just say that it's more complex than the original model was.
The modeling team at one point this year made national headlines for their projections and in-depth analysis. Their models showed a late May peak. They cautioned about ending social distancing too soon, and soon after they were put on pause by the state. Here's what happened from our earlier reports.
That's when ADHS did a 180, saying they were pleased with the model, and they only disbanded the team due to concerns about demands on their time.
It's unclear what a formal model means for the modeling team. We know there is no contract with ADHS and the researchers from across the state. And it's also unclear if it's even a priority for the state for insight, because the state tells us, quote, our main focus at present is analyzing that real-time data. And with no contract, it's unclear if the state would or even could ask.
The state says modeling is only one tool in the toolbox. They say that there are other public models out there and that the earlier ones helped determine those worst case scenarios that helped plan processes and resources. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.
Your voice.